Hello, my name is Roy Hunter, and I have an important announcement for professionals who practice the art of hypnotherapy. How often do clients have inner conflicts or fail to attain success because part of the subconscious mind is resisting good suggestions? The London College of Clinical Hypnotherapy has invited me to teach an online workshop on parts therapy. The workshop is based on a text that I wrote entitled Hypnosis for Inner Conflict Resolution, Introducing Parts Therapy. It was published by Crown House Publishing in 2005. The dates and time of the workshop will be January 21st and 22nd, 2023, from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. London time. There are similar techniques going around by various names such as ego state therapy, resource therapy, internal family systems, and more. I will briefly overview these, as well as a few other variations. I learned parts therapy from Charles Tebbetts. He was a legendary hypnosis teacher in the 20th century. He asked me to continue his work prior to his passing. I have made several important updates through the years, and I will teach you my protocol, which has passed the test of time. Also, a 58-page referenced participant workbook will be provided to assist you in the learning process. For more information, click on the link below this video. I hope to see many of you there. Thank you for viewing.